1. Choose a work area that includes a table or countertop. 2. On your table, have handy the following tools: 1 roll of green floral tape, 1 set of spears, floral wire, and 1 decorative pin. 3. Choose a rose head that is neither in full bloom nor tightly closed. 4. Using your spears, cut the stem approximately 1.5 to 2 inches below the head. 5. Choose the stem of a leaf with at least 3 leaves that are large, green, and pleasing to the eye, and place it behind the rosebud. 6. Take the floral wire and place it behind the leaf stem and the rosebud. Be sure that a leaf conceals the top of the wire. The remaining wire should be wrapped like a hairpin around the stem of the rose and the leaf stem, holding them together. 7. Take the floral tape and begin wrapping it around the 2 stems, making sure to entirely conceal both the stems and the wire. 8. Using a decorative pin, your boutonniere is ready to be placed on one of your handsome groomsmen. You did it! Enjoy!